galaxy of intellectuals and the most valued parents. On this beautiful evening of glittering stars and dark blue sky, I, your Danvi, with my co-host Aiza Shah, here to extend you to our warm and cordial welcome to the grand celebration of Raj Academy CBSE Schools annual day event. To celebrate our festival,